it's Mads, and welcome to my channel. Happy pampering with me, Mads. On this channel, we're going to talk about all things Perfectly Posh, which is a naturally based pampering company which focuses on self-care because you totally deserve it. This week, we're going to be talking about some of the amazing deals that December has to offer. And to start with, I'm going to talk about this month's starter kit because, oh my gosh, it's amazing. I'm so excited about it because if I wasn't already a Perfectly Posh consultant, I would totally join this month. Why, you might ask? Because you get double of all of the amazing products that are in it. One for you and one to share or give away for your friends or family or anybody who's looking to buy. So, what's in it, you might ask? First up, you're going to get one of our best-selling face washes. This face wash smells like a spa. Oh my gosh. It has grapefruit, it has peppermint, it's a light exfoliator, and it makes your face feel so silky soft when you're done. It also includes 2 Moisturize 911s, which is a light daily moisturizer. It has caffeine, it has aloe vera, it smells like oranges, and it leaves your face feeling totally moisturized and really refreshed. You also get 2 of the classic pink Snarky, and this is the Snarky that started it all. It smells like exotic flowers and sandalwood, and it's got some serious attitude. The Snarky bar is super unique to Perfectly Posh because it's a shea-loaded ultra exfoliating bar. You just rub it all over your skin. Yeah, it's a little snarky, but it feels so good and leaves your skin feeling so super soft. This is one of my favorite products because I love it to hurt just a little to get your skin feeling super great at the end. You're also going to get 2 Rosewater Mist and Shout sprays. This spray is perfect for just spraying on the face when you need a little extra moisture, a little hydration. I love it personally when I'm traveling to give myself a little pick-me-up, and it feels great, has cooling aloe vera, and it's a perfect product to be using this winter to give your face extra moisture. You also get Santa's Little Healer, which is the winter version of our best-selling The Healer Stick. What's a skin stick, you might ask? A skin stick is shea butter, beeswax, and essential oils, all compact in a mini little to-go pampering stick. This one is perfect for soothing dry skin, maybe like chapped lips, or any other skin that's dry and needs some extra hydration this winter period. Next up, you're going to get 2 6-pack of Fizzy Bath Bombs. Fizzy Bath Bombs are amazing. They include salt from the Great Salt Lake. They have coconut oil, they have shea butter, they smell amazing, and they're ultra luxurious. Really exciting. You're also going to be getting a ton of business tools, including 40 samples of BFF. This is one of my favorite products to sample out because it feels amazing and you can feel the difference of what Perfectly Posh is. Lastly, you're going to get the Ritual Face Mask, which is a consultant-only face mask. It's pink, it's fun, and it makes you part of the super exclusive Posh tribe. And, I mean, it's a ritual. So to wrap it up, you're going to get 2 of all of these products, and if you're within the first 1,500 to do so, you're going to get your very own Beach Blanket Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. This hand cream is a cult favorite. It's been available the last 2 summer seasons, and we're so excited to be offering this in our 2019 core catalog. This is a hand cream that smells like soft citrus, creamy coconut, and sweet vanilla, and it reminds you of the beach all year long. It truly is amazing. So in addition to the starter kit, we have several other fabulous deals going on, from a Fizzy deal where you get a 30-pack of Fizzies a 30 pack of Fizzy Bath Bombs for $69. That's $40 of savings. These are perfect because you get one for you and you can give them away as gifts. Maybe Secret Santa gifts, maybe stocking stuffers, coworker gifts. They're perfect for so many things because you get 30 of them. We also have Ice Queen back in stock, which is our purifying gentle peel-off face mask. It goes on icy blue, totally makes you feel like Elsa, and then you wait 20 minutes and you just peel it off and it's oh so satisfying. Takes all that dirt and grime off, but the best thing is it doesn't tear or rip your skin like some of the other masks you might see. All the links to all these great deals are available in the comments below, as well as the link to my website and my VIP page. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my channel. I'm Mads, and happy pampering!